for Friday. You've got 8% in terms of a cut on Thermax. Those numbers were very weak, right? And the street right off the bat, not happy at all with the kind of numbers that one has posted. 11% lower now on Thermax and slipping quickly. Global Health is down 3% odd. Swiggy is down 3% as well. RailTel is down 2.5%. That margin compression not being appreciated. Mankind is also down 2.5 odd percent. There's obviously some positive movers. Aarti Industries, AWL Agri, Hyundai, M&M has cooled off and very, very sharply and very, very quickly with regard to the stock price action. We're settling in around 40 odd points above, so it's a flat market, but in the green nonetheless. The mid-cap and small-cap indices also somehow clinging on to that flat line and mildly in the green. In fact, the small-cap index, it's IT which is seeing the pressure. I mean, the kind of moves that we've seen on IT, you're seeing a sharp 4% knock on the IT stocks and on the IT index. Infy lower by 4%, TCS lower by 3%, HCL Tech lower by 3.5%, Tech Mahindra down by nearly 3%, Wipro down by 2%. So that pressure is evident, and that's the sector which is really standing out. You've got thereafter Bajaj Finance on the back of numbers, 3.5% higher on Bajaj Finance, no surprises. Finserv 2 up 3%. They are the top two gainers on the street today. M&M up 1%, Eternal up 1% after Swiggy's numbers disappointed, and that kind of brings out the competitive edge and the kind of efficiency that Eternal seems to be building up at a time when things are difficult for its nearest competitor. You've got some of the other movers, Shriram Finance, Interglobe, also in focus. Those are some of your movers on the Nifty 50 index. On the Nifty 500, well, the breadth, first off, to try and quickly flag off your 3:2 on the breadth with regard to the Nifty 500 index. 15.5% knock on Thermax. That one's not looking pretty. Data patterns, Swiggy, JBM Auto are just some of the others which are seeing pressure on the back of earnings. Global Health also now slipping 4% on the back of earnings. And then there's Infy. Among the top 5-6 losers on the Nifty 500, the stock run-up has been sharp. You're seeing a sharp cool-off post the run-up. Hyundai is the top gainer on the Nifty 500, 7% higher now on Hyundai. MGL, second straight day of gains after a standout Q1 FY27, especially on the top line. Aarti Industries is up 6 as well. There's NetWeb up 4, Apar up 4, Bajaj Finance now up 4%. So some good moves being made across stocks broadly. When you're looking at sectors, of course, IT is surely in focus. I mean, it's the top loser sectorally for the markets today. But outside of that, you've got FMCG, which is mildly soft, 1/3% lower. Defense comes back. Auto continues to rule the roost. Fin Nifty, Pharma also doing well. Metals are doing well as well. Banks holding on to green. I mean, it's been a tough week for banks, 0.4% higher nonetheless today. Realty, again, it's been one of those weeks where Realty has had its fair share of pain, but currently just about on the flat line where the Realty index is concerned. So that's how we are really set up. Kunal, how's the market looking, and specifically IT?
Yeah, so we were discussing this yesterday that the IT stocks should be something which could probably see a profit booking wave because of the overbought nature. 4 consecutive days of up move, 3 gaps in those 4 consecutive days that the markets had to price in some sort of a cool-off and an abrupt kind of a cool-off. So I'm not surprised with the price action for the IT stocks today. Maybe I think over the next couple of days, there could be a slight bit of a further cool-off in the prices. Broadly, I would expect a 5% drop from the previous highs as a good enough retracement for the index as such for the IT stocks. Largely for the Nifty, I think it's a good start that finally we managed to surpass that 24,300 level. Hopefully, I think we will just sustain throughout the end of the day. If that happens, then I think that could probably bode positive for the markets going into next week. In terms of opening trade, Adani Ports is something which has fallen quite dramatically over the last 1 week, 10 days. The stock has come back towards an oversold territory. I will go for a contra buy at the current levels.
All right.